Like if Disney Channel was a beauty guru, she would do something like this. Hi, my name is Youkeyy and you're now watching Disney Channel. Cinderella could never, okay? The prince will now have the strength of the Black Panther stripped away. Oh my god, that's a really sour grape. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I posted a poll on the YouTube community tab last week, and I asked you guys if you had one more I tried following makeup tutorial video in you, and 70-something% of you said yes. Comments that had the most likes were the ones requesting that I follow the tutorial of a smaller YouTuber or a subscriber. And I was planning on doing something like that anyway, but I wasn't sure if you guys would be down for the cause, and it looks like you are. This was actually a hard decision to make because there are so many of you who are super talented and so very supportive of me, and I truly appreciate and love every single one of you. I'm going to be following Christina Mitchell's makeup tutorial today. She's been supporting me for a while now. I want to say like close to the beginning. She's just so, you can tell like her positivity, her energy is just so positive, and I love that. You guys know I'm all about the positivity. On top of that, she's super talented. She does these like crazy graphic liner eye looks. Yeah, let's get into it. Oh, hey.
You guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Mitchell.
So
if you're
gorgeous.
new here, you know, because you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, so you might as well just already give me a thumbs up, you know. And I'm just gonna blend this out. This is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, by the way.
I'm probably the only YouTuber who does not have MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Yeah, so let's see what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define C12 concealer. Shoot, her brows are already done. How did I miss that part? Let me do my brows real quick, guys, and I'll be back.
Press powder from it.
Okay.
I feel
Yeah, I don't have that. So I'm gonna use my RCMA No Color Powder to set it. I did let you guys know in my last video that I probably will not be doing this step of setting the concealer anymore. And because the Makeup Revolution concealer is pretty drying, at least in my opinion, it's perfect for using it as a standalone eye base.
I'm gonna go into this ColourPop eyeshadow. This is in the shade 2T. I don't know why I said 2T. I was trying to pronounce it.
It looks like it's a matte light brown. Ooh. I'm just gonna use maybe one of the browns from the Morphe 35O. I'm gonna take this color here. Yeah, for all of you who are upset that people are doing this challenge without having all of the products that the YouTuber is using, I just want to ask you something. When you follow these tutorials, do you have every single product the person is using? No, you don't? Okay, then shut your teeth. Thank you very much. My brush is clean. It's just that I had some leftover pigment from a previous look, but the brush is clean.
This is really light. It's not super duper pigmented. And I guess that's okay for a transition shade because that's what I'm using it for. I'm gonna go into this eyeshadow.
Whoa. Usually I'll fill in my brows, but I usually don't clean up around them until after my foundation is on.
I think this is from MAC. I forgot the name of it, but it's a light pink and it's matte. And I'm just going to put that all over the place, you guys.
That is not going to show up on me. I highly doubt it. So she's using a matte light pink. I'm going to take this matte light pink from the Morphe 35B palette. This one here.
My brow bone. This is going to set the tone of my eyeshadow look.
Okay.
This is a warm toned pinkish color. Really, really soft, very cute. Okay, so I'm going.
It's very pastel-y for me, but let's see. Hopefully Christina can get me all the way together. Okay, well, we'll see how this goes.
I'm gonna go into the pink eyeshadow just to see what's gonna happen.
Song though, what song is this? Hey. I'm gonna use this hot pink from the Morphe 35B palette. And I don't know if I should use that because her pink looks more toned down. Okay, so she's kind of going up in here.
So I'm gonna take this little, right here, this little line. I'm gonna use that as my guide.
Okay. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Concealer C12. I'm going to take a little bit of it on my Sigma Lip LO5 brush. Winged out. This eye, I need you to cooperate today. Don't fail me, okay? Can never get the two sides to like match up. Let me catch up right quick. Okay, looks like she filled everywhere, including like down here.
So I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Fast Ball. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid.
I think that's a shimmer, right?
Like so, like so.
I think I just found the perfect shimmer pink for this. I think this is by Carity Cosmetics. It's their individual eyeshadow in the shade Supple. Okay, I'm gonna clean off my lip pencil brush and go in with this Supple color. I'm not really tapping off the excess off my brush because I'm noticing it's helping me pack on more product. Plus I don't have any foundation on yet, so I could be reckless with this. I'm layering this matte color over it just so it's not so bright because hers doesn't look really bright. That was a little bit stressful, but I feel like it looks better than that first color by itself. So let's go on.
Okay, so I'm gonna take MAC's Blue Brown pigment and I'm gonna put this on my lid as well.
I don't have the MAC Blue Brown pigment. Could have sworn. Oh, the 39A palette. I might end up taking this shade called Color from the Morphe 39A palette. Because I laid down that shimmer and that matte, it's not showing up. So let me just put some MAC Fix Plus. Very middle. Oh, let's see how we can do this. Just gonna dab it on lightly so the color is not too overpowering because hers looks really toned down. Close enough.
And I'm dipping and diving into this one right here. It's a really pretty iridescent one.
Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I have something like that. It's by Super Glitters. It's called Magellan's Spark. It looks white in the jar, but once it's swatched, it is actually iridescent. So I'm going to mix this with my Lit Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base and apply this. Hers looks more green, especially when she turns to the side, and mine's not really doing that. So I'm going to add a little bit of a color called mint, a glitter called Mint Julep. It's also by Super Glitters. And these glitter particles are pretty big, so I'm only gonna place them like in certain spots. Just gonna let that dry.
The glow is real, boo. I'm gonna go in with this pink liquid liner from NYX in the Vivid Bright shade, Vivid Petal.
Perfect. Okay, so thank God I was right. When I looked at the thumbnail and I saw the graphic liner, I knew she probably used the NYX Vivid Brights because she uses that a lot in her looks. So I did pick it up. Vivid Brights. See, I have something she has. So don't hit. Okay? Cooperates. It looks like she didn't go into the inner portion of the eye. She kind of started quarter of the way. I'm really nervous. Christina, my dexterity is not as good as yours when it comes to these liners, but I'm gonna try. I'm really scared. Okay, I don't know if I can do this on camera. I'm gonna try. Oh no. When I look straight ahead, my liner disappears. Okay, I have to go up a little bit higher. Do you see how it like disappears? It folds over right there. So annoying. And now you guys see why I go well over my crease when I do cut creases. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why I do not do graphic liner looks. It's just too hard. I have so much skin on my eyes and they're hooded. Oh look, color transfer. How wonderful. Nice to have you here. Not. The fact that I had to make this part up here a little bit thicker, it's kind of giving me Betty Boop vibes. I think she took it all the way
for my eyes.
Whoa. The rest of her face is already done. Let me quickly do that and then I'll come back and we'll finish off the eyes. So I applied my foundation, I put my concealer on, I set everything, and now we're gonna move on.
Eyeshadow called Birthday Cake from ColourPop. I'm gonna put it right here, right on top of all of that. And right here. And we just want this to basically cover the entire tear duct and inner corner of our eye.
I'm gonna take this color here from that Morphe 35B palette, and she's putting it in the inner corner.
We are gonna go ham with this because
Oh.
we are going to sparkle, and this is the base for all of that.
This Violet Voss glitter kind of looks similar to me. I don't know, I can't really tell. Pixie Pink. Same thing with my Lit Cosmetics glitter from earlier. I'm wasting too much of this. There's so much that I'm not using, and ooh. My pink looks too dark. Scratch the Violet Voss glitter. I have a different glitter also from Super Glitters called Blushes Pink. Really, really light pink color. So she's doing all her face stuff now, but I'm going to skip all of that and just do my own thing with the face stuff because I'm just going to focus only on the eyes and the lips. Now she's going in with eyeliner. So it doesn't look like she did a wing. If she did, it's like a really tiny baby wing. So I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera because you guys know my struggle. Yeah.
And I think I'm going to put some white liner on.
So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do mine off camera because you guys already know the deal with me and the waterline.
Now we're gonna move on to lashes. So I'm gonna use my beautiful, what are they called? Vegas nail lashes. And these are in the style, the Grand Glamour lashes.
I have
That's
those.
the style that
Ooh.
they're in.
I have that. I definitely have that. So my mic was not recording that whole time, but I set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. So Christina did highlight the cheeks earlier on camera. I'm going back in to highlight with the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina La Peach.
I'm gonna use this MAC Dazzle Glass in the shade Cherry Popping.
I don't have that, of course, so I'm gonna just use a NYX lip gloss that I have that's kind of old, but we're not going to talk about that. Oh, mine's really like hot pink. I'm gonna have to try to use less of this. So she applied it to like the inner aspect of the lower lip and then outlined like that very middle of the upper lip and then went down. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. You know what? Let me mix this with some clear gloss. I think that'll help. And I'm mixing these on my mixing plate. So that way it shears out the color a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now that's too sheer. Ooh, Christina, what have you done? You've created a monster. I'm a monster. Okay, no. I love this. I want to add a little bit more pink. Korean makeup vibes, you know what I mean? Or look at that. You can see the little bit of the darker color right in there. It's just... Oh, we finna kill these slow-mos. Just kidding. I don't know if I'm doing slow-mos yet. I probably will.
That's cute. Oh, whatever. All right, so now
I love her.
Just gonna add some mascara, and that will be the final look. Yes, we extra cute. Except over here where this foundation separated, but we just worry about that. We are not about to worry about that. One thing I hate is putting away all my makeup after I filmed. Sucks. That part sucks.
So I think we're done. Yes, girl, you better slay.
Hope y'all like it.
So we're done. So here you have it, you guys. This is the completed look. And I actually really like it. I feel like it's really playful, very springtime appropriate. I believe she did this look when it was inching towards springtime. And I personally feel really accomplished because I was able to make it look relatively similar without having a majority of the products. So pretty cool. And shout out to Christina for creating a very unique look. I don't think I've really seen anything like this as far as the color combination goes. And I especially love the lip because it's just that subtle hint of pink. It really amps up that playful element a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think down below in the description box. What? No, down below in the comment section. That's how you know I'm tired. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, join the Youkeyy family and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell to get all notifications so you never miss any of my uploads. Share this video as well on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, which I am on all those platforms. Be sure to follow me, and if you are following me on Instagram, be sure to turn on post notifications, especially because my giveaway is coming up very, very soon, and it will be international and open to everyone, and there will be one for YouTube and one for Instagram Instagram as well. So just putting it out there for you guys. Also be sure to follow Christina on Instagram so you can check out some of her awesome, creative, beautiful work. And be sure to subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. It's just Christina Mitchell. And Christina, if you do see this video, I hope that I did it justice as far as recreating your look. Thank you so much to all of you who support me and encourage me and uplift me and inspire me. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your positivity and just your good vibes. You know, we just got zazzle zing, you know, good vibes here. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.